Hi, and welcome to this PractiTest video introducing PractiTest Task Board, a practical way to manage your testing tasks. To enable the task board in your project, Project Admin would go into Project Settings and tick Enable Task Board. You will find the Task Board tab next to your Dashboards tab or in the Project drop-down list. The task board by default has 4 lanes: Waiting, To Do, In Progress, and Done. In order to insert entities from your project into the task board, go to the entity you want to add, for example, a test set. On the right side, under Task Management, use the Add to Task Board drop-down to insert the entity to the desirable lane in your task board. This can be done in any entity: issues, tests, requirements, instances, or test sets. You will now see the assigned entity in the lane you chose. The task name includes the entity type, number, and name. Each task displays relevant data on the entity, such as assigned to, status for issues, run status for tests, and status bar for test sets. The tasks are actionable and connected to the entities. Pressing the title will open the entity in a new window tab. The Archive button at the bottom of each task is used to remove an entity from the task board. The entity itself will not be deleted from your project, and you can reinsert it to the task board the same way you did before. The number at the top of each lane represents the amount of tasks in it. Lanes can be customized only by the account owner by pressing the Customize Lanes button on the top right-hand side. In the Lane Editor window, you can edit lane names, move them right and left, delete a lane, or add a lane using the plus sign on the top left. Changes made by the account owner to the lane's definition will appear in all project users' boards. The bars above the lanes allow you to filter the tasks by entity, type, or by assigned to. You can drag and drop the tasks up, down, and between lanes. When doing so, the task will be updated across the board, meaning everyone will see the changes and the entity will be updated accordingly. For more helpful PractiTest tutorials, go to www.youtube.com/PractiTest or visit our website.